Bleach is an example of lysosomes because it breaks down any stain off of a countertop. An example of lysosomes because lysosomes break down any unwanted material. A fishing pole is a good example of centrioles because chromatids move to each pole of cell in a manner similar to bringing in a fish with a fishing pole.
This milkshake machine and rough endoplasmic reticulum are both alike because they both produce and export proteins. The cell and Board of Education and the nucleolus are both alike because they are both the largest structure, and the Board of Education directs principals and teachers like the nucleolus directs the assembly of proteins within the nucleus.
Chloroplasts and solar panels are alike because they both absorb and store energy from sunlight.
The kitchen is like a vacuole because it stores food the same way that a vacuole stores water. A mitochondria can be compared to a power box because the power box powers the house with electricity the same way the mitochondria powers the cell with proteins.
The post office and Golgi apparatus are both alike because they both have to ship and transport things to a certain destination.
Cars are an example of the cytoskeleton because the cytoskeleton helps the movement of cells and cars help people move around. These doors would be a good example of a plasma cell membrane because it keeps the students inside. The storage is a good example of the smoothie R because it acts as a storage organelle. The spondex office is an example of the nucleus because it is a powerhouse of the school.